Introduction to Nutrition and Natural Hygiene Principles. What is nutrition? Nutrition refers to the process by which living organisms, including humans, obtain and utilize food to sustain life, promote growth, repair tissues, and maintain bodily functions. It involves the intake of nutrients from various food sources, which are broken down and absorbed by the body to provide energy, build cells, and support vital functions. Natural hygiene, a health philosophy rooted in nature's laws, emphasizes that proper nutrition is foundational to maintaining health. It advocates consuming whole, unprocessed foods and living in harmony with nature to optimize the body's innate ability to heal and thrive. According to natural hygiene principles, a well-balanced diet composed of fresh, natural foods is key to disease prevention and overall well-being. The role of nutrients. Nutrients can be broadly categorized into two main types: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients. These are required in larger amounts and include carbohydrates, the primary energy source for the body. Natural hygiene favors complex carbohydrates from whole, plant-based sources such as fruits and vegetables. Proteins, essential for tissue repair, immune function, and hormone production. While some natural hygiene adherents prefer plant-based proteins, for example, legumes, nuts, seeds, others advocate moderate consumption of lean animal products, provided they are unprocessed. Fats, necessary for brain health, cell structure, and energy storage. Natural hygiene emphasizes healthy fats from whole sources, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and cold-pressed oils, while avoiding processed and hydrogenated fats. Micronutrients. These are vitamins and minerals needed in smaller amounts, but are crucial for various bodily functions, including immune support, bone health, and cellular communication. A natural hygiene diet, rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, ensures adequate intake of these nutrients without the need for supplements. Hydration and the importance of water. Water is fundamental to life, and proper hydration is central to both nutrition and natural hygiene. Water helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and eliminate waste. In natural hygiene, water is seen not only as essential for hydration, but also for detoxifying the body, especially when consumed in its purest form. For example, natural spring water, filtered water. Natural hygiene principles related to nutrition. Natural hygiene teaches that the body is self-sustaining and self-healing when given the right conditions. Nutrition, in this context, is more than just consuming food. It is about eating in harmony with natural laws and supporting the body's inherent ability to maintain health. Here are some key principles. Whole, plant-based diets. Natural hygiene advocates for a diet predominantly composed of fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These foods provide the body with necessary nutrients while minimizing exposure to toxins and processed chemicals. Food combining. One unique aspect of natural hygiene is the emphasis on proper food, combining for optimal digestion. For example, it is recommended not to combine starches and proteins in one meal, as they require different digestive processes. Moderation and simplicity. Natural hygiene emphasizes the importance of moderation in eating. Overeating, even of healthy foods, can burden the digestive system and lead to toxicity. Simplicity in meals, fewer ingredients in one sitting, allows the body to focus on optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. Raw and fresh foods. Foods in their raw, unprocessed state are encouraged because they retain their natural enzymes, which assist in digestion and contribute to better nutrient absorption.